The true warrior enters the arena with all his powers at the ready.
Our style was originally used for killing, the wish to become the strongest of all. You must never let such a desire rule you, or allow the Dark Hado into your fists. One possessed of an evil spirit will fight out of pride until his dying day, and most likely fight to kill. Just like Akuma, who took up the Dark Hado, and whose hands are dark with the blood of his own master, Kotetsu.
I have come to tell you something about your future. Will you grasp the light, or be swallowed by darkness?
Kill me. If I'm possessed by the Dark Hado and can't break free, Ken, I want you to be the one to do it.